Google's search results are about to change again. This time it's not just about links and snippets, it's about AI taking the wheel. Google just announced WebGuide, a new way to organize search results using its Gemini AI. Instead of the usual endless scroll of blue links, results are grouped into categories with AI-generated summaries at the top. For example, if you search how to solo travel in Japan, you'll see clusters like comprehensive guides, personal experiences, and safety and destination tips. It's designed to feel more organized and relevant, but let's be real, it also gives Google even more control over which sites get prime real estate. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Google has already faced heat for its AI mode, which pushed summaries directly into searches. Publishers called it theft, and Pew Research found those summaries actually reduced clicks to real websites. Without AI, about 15% of people clicked through to a site. With AI summaries, only 8%. Even worse, more people just ended their search session right there. That means less traffic for publishers and more stickiness for Google. Remember, this is the same company whose AI once told us to put glue on pizza. So yes, accuracy is still a question mark. But the bigger story is control. Google is already under fire for anti-competitive practices in search. WebGuide might make searches feel cleaner for users, or it might further tighten Google's grip on the web. Right now, it's only available in Search Labs for users who opt in, but expect it to roll out more broadly soon. If you're finding this breakdown useful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your take. Do you think AI-organized search is the future, or just another Google power play? And don't miss the related video in the corner for more on how AI is reshaping the way we find and trust information. Thanks for watching. Make sure you stay ahead of the curve, because AI isn't just changing search. It's changing the entire internet.